Hi friends, I'm at Thour Nature Resort in Jawai, Rajasthan. Let me show you around. So, let me take you around the resort. Let's start with the amazing luxury tents. They have 4 of those, and I'm going to show you mine right now. Let's go. So the resort has 4 luxury tents with cute lantern lit paths leading towards each of them. Let me show you one of the nice big luxury tents over here. They have a nice sit-out area for your evening snacks, drinks, overlooking the jungle, and the dining area is over there. Well, let's see. Oh wow, check out this room. It's so nice and cozy. The small touches make all the difference. Ah, so cool. And the washroom, there's also a nice area to change, get dressed. Wow, that's really nice. I love it. And they're spacious. Look at this. So much room. Absolutely loving it. This is a beautiful hill inside the resort from where you can get a bird's eye view of the area. Check it out. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let me take you to the organic garden. Now we're at the organic garden, and everything over here is prepared fresh, right from the garden. So you can literally even choose what you want to eat, pick it up from the garden, give it to the chef, and he will make freshly cooked meals for you, right from the farm to the table. And the owner Pankaj here will tell us about the vegetables that are here right now and the seasonal vegetables and about the garden.
अभी यहाँ हमने मटर लगाई हुई है।
अच्छा।
और नेचुरली यहीं से मटर हो रही है, आप देख लीजिए। ये पूरा ये मटर है।
वाओ।
और ये बीट्स।
हाँ, ये बीटरूट हमने कल फ्रेश खाया था।
बीटरूट।
हाँ, वाओ।
और
ये सही।
वो आगे है पत्ता गोभी।
हाँ।
उससे जस्ट आगे फूल गोभी है।
हाँ, फूल गोभी भी बहुत अच्छी है, हमने खाई थी यहाँ पे 2 दिन।
और आगे वो टमाटर है, मैं आपको ये ओनियन।
और ये सरसों है बीच में, वहाँ पीछे
ओनियन है, वो पालक।
पालक।
ये ओनियन, ये गाजर।
अभी हम अपना लंच सोच लेते हैं। ये देखते देखते। तो वो मूली है।
हाँ जी।
वाह, ये पक गए हैं।
हाँ,
वेरी गुड। हाँ, फ्रेश। अरे वाह, बहुत ही सुंदर। Mm. Hi. So, in case you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, all camouflaged, well, we're going for a leopard safari now. And Jawai in Rajasthan, this area is, boasts of around 65 leopards in a small area. So the chances for sightings are huge. And this is not a national park, but it is very common to see leopards and they are in close contact with humans. So it is a very unique environment. And as you have seen, the rocky mountains over here, you can see them all around, are good hiding places for leopards. We will go check out a few caves now. Let's go.